Welcome back to day 11 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Chris O'Neill and I'm so glad you're here. So yesterday we got the John James needles and the wonderful needle threader. I did find both of these items on Amazon and I'm going to value both of them together at $7. I would have thought it was a little bit more for the needles than it is, but they're very inexpensive and it's the exact same thing that was in the box, so go figure. So with the value of $7, that brings our grand total for this entire box up to $117, leaving $63 to go. Okay, so today is day 11. Let's get day 11's gift. And yesterday I could not figure out what it was. I still don't know, so let's open it up and see. And as I said yesterday, this little sticky thing, wherever it went, right here, no longer stuck. Okay, so there is some thread, which I kind of thought yesterday. It's the Missouri Star Quilting Thread, and it's 100% cotton, 2 spools, if I don't drop it. All right, so there's some yardage here. It says 36 by 44. I'm thinking we have a hand quilting project in the future. If that's the case, I won't probably be doing it. I don't enjoy hand quilting at all, but we'll see. So that's nice. So I feel like something's in the works, something's coming when you get stuff like this, right? I don't know, but I like the fabric. It's very pretty. I could use it for something else. Just an update on the button pillow. It is coming along. You can see here. I got a lot of it done, but it's still not quite finished. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully tomorrow you'll be able to see a big reveal on that. All right, and then on to the 12 days of Quiltmas. Tonight is day 11 of the 12 days of Quiltmas, and Teresa Louise from I Quilt 2 is up. So I can't wait to see what she does with this wonderful fabric. I will have a link below in the description. I hope you're joining us and following along with Quiltmas as we display or show or reveal all of these amazing quilts. All right, let's take a guess at day 12. Okay. Okay, there's a bump here. I think I know what this is. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a thread dome, and I've showed this as my favorite things in many videos in the past. The thread domes, let me see if I can find one. Be right back. Here they are. This is exactly what this feels like, and it kind of goes together with the needles, the needle threader, the quilting thread. I'm thinking that's exactly what this is. If so, I'm happy. These are great. These are one of the best things ever if you do any hand sewing. I'm assuming they'd be good for hand quilting too, although I don't really do that. They hold up to, I think, 10 needles, and they're threaded needles too. So I've showed this before. I'm sure if you've been following me for a while, you've seen me demo this, but it's a great thing. I think I could be wrong, but that's what it feels like. That's exactly what it feels like. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me that thumbs up. Give me a comment below, and I will see you soon. Make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.